In this video, I'm comparing QuickBooks Online with Zoho Books so you can figure out which accounting software is the best fit for your business. We'll start with QuickBooks. QuickBooks Online is one of the most popular cloud accounting platforms for small and medium-sized businesses. It delivers powerful tools for invoicing, expense tracking, bank connection and reconciliation, and detailed financial reporting. QuickBooks has strong automation features that save time by importing transactions, categorizing them, and keeping your books up to date. The reporting suite includes customizable profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and dashboards that help you understand your financial health at a glance. QuickBooks also integrates with a large ecosystem of third-party apps, so it can grow with your business as your needs evolve. Now let's look at Zoho Books. Zoho Books is a cloud accounting solution that's part of the broader Zoho business ecosystem. It offers robust features for invoicing, expense management, bank feeds, and automated workflows. One of Zoho Books' strengths is how seamlessly it connects with other Zoho apps like CRM, inventory, and projects, which can be a major advantage if you're already using the Zoho suite. Zoho Books also has strong automation tools, client portals, and good reporting capabilities that rival other entry to mid-level accounting platforms. Some users find Zoho's interface cleaner and easier to navigate, and its pricing is often more affordable compared to other solutions with similar features. When we compare QuickBooks and Zoho Books, QuickBooks tends to be the better choice if you want deep accounting functionality, a huge library of integrations, and advanced reporting that's widely recognized in the industry. Zoho Books, on the other hand, is a great option if you want a powerful yet user-friendly system that works well with other business applications, especially if you're already in the Zoho ecosystem. It can also be more cost-effective for companies that don't need all of QuickBooks' advanced tools. In summary, QuickBooks wins for sheer accounting power and extensive integrations, while Zoho Books shines with ease of use and seamless integration into a broader business suite. Your best choice depends on your specific business needs, budget, and whether you plan to tie your accounting software into a larger tech stack. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the description for more accounting software reviews.